Ever wondered how to whip up delectable keto meals swiftly and shed a pound of body fat every 48 hours? Welcome to the fascinating world of the ketogenic diet, a diet that flips the switch on conventional nutrition, steering you towards high fats, adequate proteins, and low carbohydrates. The ketogenic, or simply keto diet, was originally conceived as a medical diet to aid in the treatment of epilepsy. But with time, it has evolved, finding its place in the realm of popular weight loss regimens. The keto diet turns your body into a fat-burning machine by pushing it into a metabolic state known as ketosis. In this state, your body efficiently burns fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. It's like giving your body a superpower, the power to burn fat more effectively. If this piques your interest, stay tuned to unravel the secret to quick and tasty keto meals. Let's delve into the science behind the ketogenic diet. Our bodies are incredibly adaptable machines. When we consume a diet that's high in carbohydrates, our body converts those carbs into glucose for energy. However, when we limit our intake of carbs, our bodies enter a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis, from the Greek word ketos, meaning thin, is a natural process the body initiates to help us survive when food intake is low. But don't be alarmed, entering this state of ketosis is a common part of our survival mechanism. It's not starvation, but rather, it's a state where the body is burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. So how does this happen? When our carbohydrate intake is low, the insulin levels drop and fatty acids are released from our body's cells. A portion of these fatty acids are transported to the liver, where they are oxidized and converted into ketones. These ketones then serve as a new source of energy. This extraordinary switch of energy source from glucose to fat aids in weight loss. Interestingly, even our brain, a high-energy organ that consumes plenty of glucose, adapts to this change. It begins to use ketones as an alternative fuel when glucose supply is short. What's fascinating is that this isn't a modern discovery. Our ancestors, who were hunter-gatherers, didn't have the luxury of a local supermarket. They survived on a low-carb diet, entering ketosis during times of limited food availability. This is a testament to the fact that our bodies are designed to function optimally on a diet that is low in carbs and high in fat. It's important to note, though, that while the ketogenic diet has been associated with weight loss, everyone's body and metabolism is different. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare practitioner before embarking on any new dietary regimen. Now that we've understood the science, let's explore how to make this diet delicious and easy. Making healthy food tasty might sound challenging, but not anymore. Let's delve into the culinary realm of the keto diet, where health meets taste, thanks to a simple appliance and a remarkable cookbook. Our first aid in this gastronomical adventure is the Instapot Duo Plus. This versatile gadget is a life changer for many, simplifying the cooking process and saving precious time. With features that range from pressure cooking to slow cooking, steaming to sautéing, it's a veritable kitchen assistant ready to cater to your every culinary whim. Now pair this technological marvel with the expertise of Kelly Herring, a nutritional biochemist from the Healing Gourmet, and you've got an unbeatable combination. Kelly's Instant Pot Keto Cookbook is a treasure trove of delectable, healthful recipes designed specifically for the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This cookbook is not just a compilation of recipes, it's a guide to making the keto diet delicious, quick, and effortless. It's filled with recipes that are scientifically formulated to keep you in ketosis, ensuring that you're not just eating well, but also reaping the health benefits of the keto diet. From mouth-watering crispy and tender pork belly that takes you on a tropical flavor journey, to the comfort of Italian meatball soup, you'll find a plethora of dishes to tantalize your taste buds. And let's not forget about dessert. Yes, you heard that right. With recipes like keto lava cake, you can satiate your sweet tooth without veering off your diet plan. Each recipe in this cookbook comes with detailed instructions, making it easy for anyone, whether a novice or a seasoned cook, to prepare these dishes. The book also provides nutritional information for each recipe, so you can keep track of your macros and stay on course with your diet. In essence, with the Instant Pot Duo Plus and Kelly Herring's Instant Pot Keto Cookbook, you're not just cooking, you're crafting a healthier lifestyle, one delicious meal at a time. With the right tools and guidance, making keto meals can be as easy as pie. But how does this diet help you lose weight, you may wonder? Let's delve into the mechanisms behind the ketogenic diet and its remarkable ability to aid weight loss. The ketogenic diet is not merely a dietary preference, it's a metabolic state where the body utilizes fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. This state, known as ketosis, is achieved by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. Once in ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. This, in turn, leads to weight loss. Scientific research has consistently shown that a ketogenic diet is more effective for weight loss than a low-fat diet. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that individuals following a ketogenic diet lost 3 times more weight than those on a diet recommended by Diabetes UK. But the benefits don't stop there. Another advantage of the ketogenic diet for weight loss is its ability to control hunger hormones. When you consume a meal high in carbohydrates, your body experiences a spike in insulin levels, followed by a rapid drop, which can lead to feelings of hunger. However, by maintaining a state of ketosis, these insulin spikes and subsequent drops are avoided, leading to a reduction in hunger and an increased feeling of satiety. Moreover, the ketogenic diet has been found to decrease levels of the hunger hormone, ghrelin. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants on a ketogenic diet had significantly lower levels of ghrelin than those on a high-carbohydrate diet. This reduction in ghrelin leads to a decrease in hunger, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit, which is crucial for weight loss. It's also worth noting that the ketogenic diet can lead to a loss of water weight in the initial stages. When you restrict carbohydrates, your body's glycogen stores decrease, causing water release. So while this isn't fat loss, it can contribute to the perception of weight loss and can be a motivating factor for some. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet promotes weight loss by boosting fat burning, controlling hunger hormones, and even shedding some water weight. It's clear that the ketogenic diet isn't just a fad, it's backed by science. Are you ready to embark on your keto journey? The path to a healthier, leaner you is just a step away. The ketogenic diet isn't just about losing weight, it's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes your well-being and longevity. It's about making choices that nourish your body and satiate your palate. Imagine diving into a plate of succulent, savory dishes, all while shedding a pound of body fat every 48 hours. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with the Instapot Duo Plus and the Instapot Keto Cookbook by Kelly Herring, a nutritional biochemist of the Healing Gourmet, this dream can become your reality. This marvelous duo is your ticket to a world of delectable, nutritious meals that not only align with the ketogenic diet, but also take a fraction of the time to prepare. You'll be amazed at how easy and enjoyable the process can be. The Instapot Duo Plus is a game changer in the kitchen, and when paired with Kelly Herring's meticulously crafted recipes, it's a powerhouse of health and taste. Remember, the ketogenic diet isn't a fad, it's a scientifically backed approach to eating that can revolutionize your health. So why wait? A link in the description will take you directly to these exceptional products. It's time to prioritize your health without sacrificing your love for good food. For more such enlightening videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay informed.